Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we are going to guide you through the process to disable the new auto scroll feature for Instagram Reels. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. Start by opening up the Instagram application for that. And once you open it up, you can go over and go to the Reels tab. And from there, you will be finding all of the Reels available on your screen. So if you want to turn it off, usually what you can do is you can basically go ahead and tap on the three dots. And from here, if you have an option of auto scroll, if you have that feature, you will be seeing an option to turn off the auto scroll. You just need to go ahead and tap on it in order to disable it. And that way you can do so. If you do not see the auto scroll option, what you need to do is you need to update your application. You need to go ahead and update your Instagram application if it is not updated. So for that, you can start by going over to the Play Store application, open it up. And once you open up the Play Store, you can update your Instagram app through your device's app store. Go to the search and search for Insta here. And once you find it up, if there is any kind of update available for the application, you can update it and see if that feature appears. And if that feature appears, you can just go ahead and tap on it in order to turn it off. But apart from that, what you can do is you can go ahead and clear the cache. If that does not help, you can hold the Instagram application for that. Go to the info tab, and from there, you can go over and clear the cache and data. So scroll down through here, go to storage and go ahead and look out for the option of clear cache, also clear the data, and that will do it. And that is it. You can try out this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like. And also, if you're using any kind of third-party auto scroll application, you can directly install that application and it should remove the auto scroll from your Instagram Reels. So that is it, everybody. You may follow up this method for that. So also subscribe and like this video, and thank you for watching this video.